Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing areas of parallelogram and triangles. So today's section I am going to discuss the second exercise, the second problem. What is that? If E, F, G, H are respectively midpoints of these sides of a parallelogram ABCD. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of BC, G is the midpoint of DC, and H is the midpoint of AD. Then show that the area of EFGH is equal to half of area of ABCD. So here we want to show the area of EFGH is equal to half of area of ABCD. Is it clear? So first write down the given. So this question here given. So up to here is a given and this show that become a to prove. To prove. So next prove. Prove. Right? So here we want to make a one small construction, that is join HF. So here let join HF, right? And now the given ABCD is a parallelogram. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So it is a parallelogram means the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So that is AD equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Is it clear? So here we want to make a half on both sides. Half of AD is equal to half of BC. Right? So half of AD means we can write AH and half of BC we can write a BF because H is the midpoint of AD and F is the midpoint of BC. They are only given. So write down AH is equal to BF and AH is parallel to BF. So write down here H is the midpoint of AD and F is the midpoint of BC. Right? So here AH and BF are equal and parallel to each other. So it means ABFH is a parallelogram. So this implies ABFH is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Right? So now see here. It is a parallelogram. It means AB is a parallel to FH. So this implies AB is parallel to HF. Right? So now observe the figure here. The triangle HEF and the parallelogram ABFH are have a same base HF and they are between in a parallels. AB parallels to HF. So these two are the parallel. They are between in a two parallels and the have a common base. It means the area of triangle ABC is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABFH. Already we proved one theorem, right? So since the triangle HEF and parallelogram ABFH are the on same base and between the same parallels AB and H. Is it clear? So it means, so this implies the area of triangle HEF is equal to half of area of ABFH. So by the theorem, previous theorem, right? So call this equation 1. And similarly, see here HGF and DCHF, these are the have a same base HF and they are between the two parallels HF and DC, right? So here area of triangle HGF is equal to half of DCFH. Is it clear? So write down. Similarly, area of triangle HGF is equal to half of area of CDHF. So call this equation 2. So now adding equation 1 and 2, right? So write down adding equation 1 and 2. We add LHS and RHS. So in a LHS, area of triangle HEF plus area of triangle HGF is equal to half of quadrilateral ABFH plus half of area of CDHF. So here area of triangle HEF plus HGF, it means this one, this whole figure HEFGH. So write down here area of EFGH is equal to, so take here common half, so remaining area of ABFH plus area of CDHF, right? So here write down half as it is. So add these two. Which one? ABFH and CDHF. It means ABCD. So write down area of ABCD. So this implies we can write area of EFGH is equal to half of area of ABCD. Hence proved. Is it clear?